Hello, this is Cristy Muro, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel or fix landed cost in SAP Business One, step by step. Let's get started. To show you this process, I have created this Cristy PO for AB Electronics. So the first thing that we're going to do is to create the landed cost. So to do so, we're going to go to Purchasing, Landed Cost. Number one, I make sure that I am in the add mode, and then I'm going to start by selecting the vendor. So the vendor is AB Electronics. And then I need to select the broker. This is optional, but right now I'm going to select one. And then the next thing that I need to do is click on Copy From to get all the data from Good Recipio. So I'm going to click on Copy From Good Recipio. And as you can see here, I have the Good Recipio that I created before, 1563. So I'm going to select it. Here we have all the items in that Good Recipio, and now I'm going to go to the Cost tab to type all the amounts. For this example, we're going to assume that the landed cost includes $1,000 for insurance and $2,000 for freight. Okay, so now here you're going to say, hey, Christina, you said that we're going to include $1,000 for insurance and you type $100. Yes, that's the thing that we want to show you today, how to fix this. So again, we're going to assume that the insurance was $1,000, but by mistake, I'm going to type $100 and I'm going to create a transaction. Okay. I'm going to click on the back arrow to see the transaction. And as you can see here, I have typed the incorrect amount. So that's the thing that we want to fix. So what do I need to do to fix this? You need to do it by creating a new landed cost. As you can see here, we're going to take note of the landed cost that the system created. Number 14. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new landed cost. Same thing, I'm going to select my vendor, my broker, and now same thing, I'm going to click on Copy From, but instead of selecting the Good Recipio, here we're going to select the landed cost. Actually, even if I want to select the same Good Recipio, SAP is not going to allow me to do so because I already have a landed cost for that Good Recipio. Let's try. If I click on Good Recipio, do you see here? I don't see the number 1563 because again, we already have a landed cost for that Good Recipio. So the way to fix it is getting the data from the landed cost that is not correct. So I'm going to click on Copy From Landed Cost. And the number 14 is the landed cost that has the incorrect amount. So I'm going to select that one. And as you can see here, the system copied the values from the landed cost number 14. So the way to fix it is, number one, I'm going to zero out all these amounts. Now, the only amount that was not correct was the insurance. The shipping is fine. But even if the shipping is fine, I need to zero out all the values in the landed cost. So I'm going to type 0 here, and I'm going to create this landed cost. Okay, I'm going to click on the previous record to see the transaction. And now this landed cost has amounts zeros. Now let's take a look at the journal entries that the system created in this landed cost and in the first landed cost. So I'm going to go to the General tab. I'm going to minimize the Good Recipio screen. And as you can see here, the number 15 is the landed cost where I have set everything to 0. Here in journal remarks, you have landed cost 14 and 15. And as you can see here, the system debit and credit with negative amounts, the inventory account, and the expense landed cost. If I go and see the previous journal entry, this is the journal entry for the landed cost 14. So we have the landed cost 14 with positive amounts, and then we have the landed cost 15 to reduce the amount from the original landed cost. Now that I have zeroed out the accounts, now I can create a new landed cost. So I'm going to type the vendor and the broker. And same thing, I need to copy from landed cost, but now it's going to be the 15. And as you can see here, now I don't see the 14. 15 was the last transaction created for this operation. So I'm going to select the 15. Now if I go to cost, everything is 0, and now I can type the correct amount. So here the correct amount was 1,000, and for the shipping is 2,000. I create the transaction, and if I go back to see the journal entry, now we have the correct amounts in the inventory and the landed cost account. Let's take a look at the relationship map of this transaction. So I'm going to right click and select relationship map. And as you can see here, we have, of course, we have the good CPO, we have the landed cost 14 with the incorrect amounts, then we have the landed cost, and then we have the correct landed cost. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.